Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So if you're new here, my name is Sonia, and we're gonna just get into the video. So for all of my old people who's been following me for the longest, I'm just gonna bring you guys along a few things. I'm gonna talk about some things in this kitchen. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with our beautiful Wreath here. She's not gonna stay in here, but I just wanted to show you guys how big and beautiful she is. So I'm actually going to be putting her in the front door because you'll be able to see her like from the front entrance. I just think it would look better. But I just wanted to show you guys where I put my beautiful laundry basket. I don't want to like tilt her over because there are clothes in there. But I wanted to show y'all really quick. Been looking for, you guys know I have been looking for like coffee mugs. Every time I would go into the Goodwill, I would look for Pacific mugs. And the mug that I was specifically looking for was actually this mug here, guys, with that beautiful design like that. And I could never find it. And these are by Nicole Miller, New York. So the last time that I went into Goodwill, guys, and I scored me 100 points. Oh wow, what happened? Okay, but I had scored me 100 points after this purchase. So I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So maybe later on today, I probably will go to the Goodwill. But guys, I went in there and found these beautiful coffee cups. Like, it is a set of two. I'm going to show you right here. It is a set of two. Can you see that? It is a set of two, has this thing here, and this is, they are stackable. And guys, look, they were only 79 cents. But guess what? Do you guys see that beautiful print there? Do you guys see that? So this is the print. Let me show you. This is the print that actually is almost near this print. So these are stackable. So what I'm going to do, I'm able to put these like so on that side. And then what I'll do is, once I take these loose, I'm gonna wash them, but this go on the other side. So even though I have that extra cup, one of these, let me bring you guys closer. So if you guys can see, this one here is a different texture and a different, print. So it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna be able to I can either take this one out, put it here, and do that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, but I am gonna take these loose now and wash them. I've been waiting to do that, but I wanted to bring you guys along to show you that I did find my solution for my cups. And the fact that they're new, y'all, and these are by the Potter's Corner, and they're handcrafted stone, and I absolutely love that. But guys, here's my outfit today. Do y'all like it? I have on my beautiful sweater that I thrifted with the sleeves, with the puffs here. I absolutely love that. My black jeans that are actually very comfortable, and these are by Wow Fable, and I have on my Gucci slides. So yeah. And guys, I got this from the bins one day for $1, and this was actually $17.99, but y'all know I didn't pay $17.99. So let's go ahead and put the Wreath up, and then we'll get into the intro of the family room, because I know some of you guys that have been here are probably going to be wondering, Sonia, what happened to everything that you had in there in the beginning? So we're going to go ahead and get started to put this Wreath up so I can show you guys how it looks. So, okay. All right, guys, one more thing. I don't think I told y'all what today is. Today is March the 19th, okay? But y'all, remember when I did the cabinet, changed the handles and the hardware in here? Guys, doing that, I found out something. Look at this. Do y'all know this is? This is a removable thing, and you actually can put, I need to find one of those things you put in here, which you can house your scrub pads and things like that, my vegetable brush. I would have never known that if I never changed these knobs, y'all. So I love that. And I was able to hang my dish towel on there. So how cool is that?
Right back, see it, come
right, guys, as you can see, this is no longer any good. It's actually real pussy willow. And it just, I don't know, it's very weathered. I don't have like a storm, like there's a screen down at the bottom. So therefore it kind of like really made this like age really bad. But I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I probably have to throw it away. But anyway, I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick about the things that were in the back. I met a really nice lady and things really happen for a reason. But guys, she bought that rug that was back there, the gray and white rug. She bought the lamp that was formerly in here that I put back there that had the glass base and the gray shade. She bought all the pillows and the throw blanket in there that was black and white. She bought the console table that was in there because it's no longer in there. She also bought the small console table that I had in my office. She bought some other things too. And we actually had a lot in common, and she was just talking to me, and we end up like talking about some business things. So yeah, so I just was going to let you guys know you will not see those things in there, and you're going to be really surprised of what you don't see no more in there. But I think you guys will like it. So stay tuned for the next clip of the newly decorated family room. All right, y'all. Okay guys, here is my whole wall of my own DIY artwork. You guys seen the first two in a video that I did, so go back into my, just if you're subscribed to my channel, just go in there and you'll see my DIY artwork. This here, y'all, is my baby. This is a new rug that I hauled from the bins. It was originally $127 if I'm not mistaken. I got it for $45. It is a Project 62. It is absolutely amazing to me. I really love this. Okay guys, here are my braided links and my new decor book on my table, also along with the new tray that I got with the candle kits. Everything came out very beautiful. This vase here, guys, was actually $30. I got it from the bins for $3 and I just added some natural decor to it and set along a candle by its side. Here we have a throw blanket that I actually had in the bedroom, but I decided to put it in here because I thought it would go very well with everything, and it did just what I wanted it to do. Here is, guys, the new pillow. I told you guys it was gonna look good in this room. This is the space that I wanted to put it. Here is another canvas that I DIY. Guys, that is not the letter 4. It is actually 2 geometrical shapes that I wanted to put together. Guys, I opted out to put those two, remember those 2 plant pots that I had? I actually painted them and I'm going to sell them. They didn't go with the space anymore, so I ended up putting both of the plants inside the one pot and added the candlesticks next to it. So guys, I finally got a chance to make the windows with the curtains more thicker. I actually added new curtain rods, guys. Now one of them is missing a cap, but I know I'm gonna find one eventually, but they all have new curtain rods. So everything just goes together. And then here, guys, I have this basket. If you're not following me on Instagram, you need to follow me. You guys remember me putting this on Instagram. This basket was actually blonde, and I painted it black, and now we have the Casa Luna blanket. I just kept everything in this packaging because didn't really know where to put it, but it houses and it holds and it blocks the actual cords down there. So I absolutely love that. So go follow me on Instagram, guys. All right, guys, this is the big reveal right here. This is my baby, guys. We painted the wall down some more to the bottom. We removed all the artwork, all the gallery wall. So if you're wondering where the gallery wall is, the miniature pictures are in the bedroom and the other family portraits are in my office. I will show you guys that in another video. But guys, I absolutely love this. Actually found and scored this sound bar. It is absolutely amazing, guys. Everything looks so good. So like I said, the flower pots are no longer, I would throw in a clip what they look like now, but they are going to be sold. Yeah, guys, I love my wall here. It is absolutely amazing. Let me know, guys, in the comments below, what do you think? This has made a big transformation to the space and to the room. If you remember the black lantern that was taken out, and guys, we have that in the garage. That will be going out for the patio reveal for this spring, so stay tuned for that.